In this video, I'll cover the use of tags on items from within the Leeds Reading List System. You can use tags on any item on your reading list to convey important information to your students or to the library. It's very easy to add a tag to a citation. Just click on the item title and Add Tag. Then scroll down the list of tags to find the one you want to add, or type in the name of the tag. Once you've added a tag, it will display on the main list page as well as displaying within the citation itself. You can add extra tags to an item from within the citation. If you want to delete a tag from an item, simply open the citation and click on the cross next to the tag you want to remove. The primary use for tags is to display the importance of a piece of reading. If you expect all students to read a key extract for this week, you would tag the item as core reading. This will flag the item's importance to students. It's also the only mechanism for alerting the library to an item's core status and ensuring extra copies of the resource are purchased. Other uses for tags include flagging that you would like an item digitised through the online course reading service. Additionally, you can use tags to flag that you would like students to purchase a personal copy of an item, or to highlight that other editions of a resource than the one included in the list will also be relevant for students. There is no limit to the amount of tags you can add to an item.